To send money from Pakistan to South Africa, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to choose a money transfer service that operates in both countries. There are several options available, including banks, money transfer companies, and online services. Some popular options include Western Union, MoneyGram, and Zoom. Once you have selected a service, you will need to create an account if you do not already have one. This typically involves providing some personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and bank account details. Next, you will need to provide the recipient's information, including their name, address, and bank account details in South Africa. You will also need to specify the amount of money you want to send in the currency you want to use. After that, you will need to pay for the transfer using a payment method accepted by the service, such as a bank transfer, credit card, or debit card. The service will then convert your money into the local currency and transfer it to the recipient's bank account. It is essential to compare the exchange rates and fees of different services before making a transfer. Some services may offer better exchange rates, but charge higher fees, while others may offer lower fees, but less competitive exchange rates. Additionally, you should ensure that the service you choose is secure and reliable, and that it complies with all relevant regulations and laws. You can check the service's reputation online and read reviews from other customers to get an idea of its reliability and quality. Finally, once the transfer is complete, you should receive a confirmation from the service, and the recipient should receive the money in their bank account. You can also track the status of the transfer online or through the service's mobile app. In summary, sending money from Pakistan to South Africa involves choosing a money transfer service, creating an account, providing the recipient's information, paying for the transfer, and comparing exchange rates and fees. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can ensure a safe and successful transfer.